Hi, this is Under the Exoskeleton. My name is John. I'm here with a bunch of other students and professor from ESU, and we are here to look and interact with a series of different invertebrates today. And right now we have with us
Nick.
and
Aaron.
Chloe.
Patsy.
okay, and we're all ready to interact. Now, who wants to go first?
I have no problem with
You have
beetle.
no
I
problem?
can do the beetle for
Okay.
sure.
So the first, for each contestant, have them stick their hand in the cage first. Second, go on and pick one up. And third, do it without a glove if you can.
All right.
That's it.
Going in. This one looks wily.
Yeah.
What kind of beetle is this, John?
Blue fang beetle. And they are actually called blue death beetles because they fake their own death and when they get scared. So if he goes limp and completely looks dead, do not be afraid that you hurt him. You got him.
Oh, no, he's good.
Yep. They'll cling to you a little bit.
I'll no-hand it. No one wants to get in here?
Anybody?
Either you're gonna
Go
do
get
it
in
now
there?
for
All right,
Chloe.
get in there,
First?
Nick.
Okay. So then we'll see who can do the barehanded.
I just want to like see how it
Last.
feels.
It's like a
I
little...
don't feel like nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're very... I would be
So
gentle.
I should like scoop underneath.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's fine. There you go.
That's not even that. Yeah, look at him, bro. He's kind of cute actually.
They're
Yep. They are, right?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Do you ever give them names?
Well, some of them, not these
Yeah.
guys.
Do you guys want to try?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys
sure,
ready?
I'll go after.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get this little guy. Oh, okay. Oh, he's cool looking.
It's actually not as bad once you actually like touch it.
Okay.
Do you have
See if he'll crawl off.
Well, the main fun fact is they're playing dead, but they eat beetle food, they eat
The one's just, like, rolling
different
around on
types
its back.
of cat food and dog food. They love apples for hydration and just sweet. They just drink the juice off it. But yeah, they are really fun little guys.
I keep knocking him over. Oh wait, okay, he is cute.
No.
Please don't jump
Yeah.
off my hand,
Yeah.
please.
Are they jumpers, these guys?
No.
Okay.
No, they're crawlers, and they can't crawl super fast like some of the other ones.
Don't say that.
Hey, I'm just
All right.
trying to prepare you guys.
Oh, stop liking me so much. Go away.
Okay, realistically, if you shook it off right now, would that be bad?
Wouldn't hurt them.
Give it
As
a
long
little,
as you do it gentle.
give it a little shake.
You can shake them off.
You just nudge his butt a little bit, maybe.
Just go the other way, I'm begging.
Yeah, we'll flick it out there.
No, I don't want to.
Need some help?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay,
he's
you
on
got
his
it.
back. Poor baby.
Okay.
Parlay.
And now you're up.
Oh, for then. This is crazy. Jeez. Okay, which one? Actually, maybe I'll get this guy.
Are you doing it barehanded?
Oh, I thought. Yeah, because I already did
You
it with the
can.
glove.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh, that's.
okay.
We all picked
Oh,
it up.
yes, that's right. Okay.
Okay. I don't know. These two are like hugging each other. I don't know what's going on, but so I guess this guy. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. He's like a big ant. That's what it feels like. Yeah, he's like a really big ant. That's exactly what it feels like.
They have
yeah.
a very strong exoskeleton. So
Okay, nice. Thank you.
it's their outer skin and bones, because their bones are on the outside. They are.
You want next,
fast.
Patsy?
Yep. Okay, next. So while they're doing it, how freaked were you to pick up?
I wasn't too freaked.
Not too freaked?
because they're honestly
Not too
pretty
scared?
cute. Yeah. Yes, this was a good warm up.
Good warm up?
For sure. Yeah.
Okay,
you picked
good.
very well.
Yeah, beetle's a good place to start.
Mm. They sort of look like dung beetles a little bit.
They do. They're smaller than dung beetles, I think.
How many you knock them off?
Facing your fears.
So how scared were you to do that?
Beatles
Not really.
Speaking. Testing 1, 2, 3.
It seems like your mic isn't on now.
Oh, battery must be dead. Okay, I think.
Aw, it's not even bad. He's chill.
They are kind of cute. I
Yeah,
feel
they
like
actually
this
are.
one was a good one to start with.
Like,
Yeah, for
this is the
sure.
type of
I'm
like
frightened for the future.
killed out.
Goodbye. Oh, no,
Yeah,
stop
a little-
it. Stop.
Shake it off. Shake it off.
Yeah.
Shake it. Shake it more. No, John, get in the.
Yeah. Okay. Oh hell no.
I killed it.
Okay, so we have a few people frightened for the future, and we have some people with confidence. Okay, that's cool. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I need to see how fast this scorpion is, so I will not be going first
You'll
for
be
that.
all right.
Aaron,
It's all fun and games. You
Aaron.
pick it open and it starts bolting.
I know, right? Yeah.
All right, come on, dude.
That was smooth. That was a smooth,
that was
smooth
bad.
pickup.
That was bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was like a 0 out of 10.
Okay, now I can feel his legs, and I'm really not too sure how I feel about it.
You're not sure how you feel about him?
I think he's very, very cute.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a good experience.
I'm surprised none of them have played
same
dead
issue.
yet.
He really likes me.
Yes, he does. Wants to hold on.
You're gonna go that way now. Okay.
I've had enough.
You're gonna go that way now. Okay. Dude,
There you go.
there we go.
Okay, so that was phase 1, and everybody is passed, and everybody has completed everything. So now we move on to phase 2. Be back with you in a minute. Welcome back to Under the Exoskeleton. We are on phase 2 with the second stage of invertebrates to encounter our fellow students with. So first, with this one, we have Madagascar hissing cockroaches. They're about that long, just for the reference. And how do you guys feel about them? Let's start with Patsy.
Not feeling great.
Not
I'm gonna
feeling
say.
great?
They just
Yeah.
have a look to them.
No?
No comment.
You guys?
Especially since they can hiss, like I'm afraid it's just not gonna like me, and then it's gonna
Well, they
start
don't bite.
hissing.
So,
Yeah, that's
The same.
comforting.
Aaron?
They're piling.
Oh hell. Oh hell no.
Okay.
Make sure.
Yeah.
So chill, promise.
No, for sure. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is actually crazy. Oh, they are fast. They are definitely more active. Maybe I'll get this guy since he's like right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like prickly. Ah, that's crazy.
Yeah, they
Oh
got
my goodness.
hairs on their legs.
That is crazy.
And they will grab onto you, so be careful about. You can just
Okay.
shake them off.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh wow, kind of just.
he was okay. Yeah,
Laying
he didn't
on
move. He didn't move too much.
Perfect.
My God.
How scared were you to do that?
Initially, it was like going into cold water. At first, I was like, "Oh no," but then it wasn't too bad. They're pretty cute as well.
Too much
Yep.
for my liking. They're too responsive. Oh, I don't like that it has weight.
Oh, I forget.
See,
Wait,
like-
they have wings?
Trying to get it out.
No,
my
they don't
hand,
fly.
but
Oh, okay.
They have
It's
wings,
not-
but
Some species do, right?
some. I think Dubai.
Why are you giving him an escape? Why?
Yeah, take the one on
just-
top. Take the one on top.
and you just leave him
If you
there.
need help getting him back in, I can. Let me see.
You got
Oh,
this. You got this,
it.
Nick.
Okay.
I'm trying. He's fighting me. I don't want to like.
There you go.
No.
Aren't they really durable? So it's
Oh my God.
Like they'll survive the apocalypse.
They will.
Why is that?
They will be here long after us because their size benefits them, and also they don't react the same way to radiation we do.
Why?
I do not know.
Oh, that's interesting.
I need to look into that, but that
They
is
don't absorb radiation in their bodies the way we do.
not the same way. It doesn't affect them. It doesn't like kill them.
All right, buddy, you can go down now. Please get off. Please get off. Please get off.
he was chilling for a
They
second.
like hanging on.
Like you had like a nice little moment there.
That wasn't that bad.
Not that bad.
No, no bad. That was no bad.
You know what? You're feisty. I'll just.
You're getting all that. No. Oh God, don't look at me. Oh, yeah, I don't like that they have weight either. Oh, I don't like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Here, grab on. Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry, Patsy's sound effects. Sorry,
Sorry, I'm trying to keep it cool, guys.
Yeah, good.
Okay, thank you. No, no. Oh. I don't like it. I'm not going in that glove. I can't. Okay.
He wants to get out, and I don't love it. Wait, now I know the difference between the males and the females. That's a girl. Wow.
Oh, what is the difference?
The males have horns. The girls do not.
You got it, you got it.
Get out of the corner! What is your problem? All right, going for a different one. If he starts to escape, that's not my
John's on
problem.
it.
I'm on it. Don't worry.
He's on duty.
Nick was good with the eyes, too.
He's got you. Don't worry.
Oh, they're too fast.
They kind of remind me
You
of
want to see
roller
your
coasters.
friends? Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
they do.
wait.
They're
in a city
we're
holding the roach.
We're
The roach is
slaying,
holding
we're
her.
slaying. The roach is holding me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we're friends. Okay, you're freaking me out. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, no.
Yeah, a
stop
little-
it. Stop.
Shake it off. Shake it off.
Yeah.
Shake it. Shake it more. No, John, get in the.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh my God.
Nice
There
job.
you go.
Nice job.
The unhinged laughing at the end.
Okay, who's next?
Little pet.
Bomba clot. Oh my God.
Don't be moving the
Okay,
table.
wait.
What's it feel like? Describe it.
It's like almost
And how scared are
like
you?
rubbery. You can feel it. I'm not even that like worried, to be honest. Like it's actually very. Oh no, can you not move?
Not even that
It's
word.
actually
A lot of mood switches.
right word for me.
He's good. He's got to be
got it.
nonchalant about it.
Oh.
Now you're in the pit of them.
Yeah, you
Oh.
got it.
Now they're all in one area.
Okay, when
There's
you,
there's
like,
one in the
move-
corner. One in the corner. So
Yeah.
I'm a leave it be.
okay.
It don't need me to bother it. Yeah, here we go, buddy. Let's go.
There you go.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
right.
Yeah, nice
I'm about-
job, Nick.
There it goes.
I'm not laughing. I promise. It's going to be me in a second.
See,
got
this
that.
is actually
You sound like
it's
a
not worried.
supportive mom.
See this?
When they think their child can't do something, they're like, yeah, okay.
Just cheering.
See,
for
I'm-
them
I'm
while they're
actually-
super
I'm not
mad
gonna-
at
So how do you
people.
feel about holding it right now?
Now that it's actually like on my finger, I can feel it. It's not horrible. It's like it's pretty moderate. I don't like that it's moving so much, but yeah, you can get off now.
Right here. Okay, come on, bros.
So that's a
Okay.
male.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, are those little?
That
ones
is a
right
male. Yes.
there? Okay, it's pretty chill.
Yeah.
Chloe's like fearless. She's just not even feeling
I used to
this
be
right
such a
now.
tomboy.
Wow,
when I was
what a
younger. I
nice
had like an ant
dismount,
farm
too,
and
on the
everything.
road.
Okay. Pats.
I mean, are they tasting
people
the world
do eat
around them like a
those.
snake or something?
People do eat all sorts of insects.
So you don't want me
Grubs,
to pick you
crickets.
up?
Or it's just like
Grasshoppers.
high in protein.
Very. That's why they're good for the animals
Ooh, sorry.
as feed.
I know that had to have been loud. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. I'm getting so used to touching you now. Wow. I guess we're just not
They're
friends.
so agile.
If you come on. Why are you so spiny and sticky and weird and gross? Yeah. See, you think you're going somewhere, but you're not.
It just makes me think of Men in Black.
Oh, why would you say that while it's
The
in my
end of the
hand?
movie.
It's a great movie.
I'm going for you, because that one is defiant.
You had it, Aaron. You
I'm
had
like
it.
mad that they don't like me now. I'm like,
Chloe was just
Okay.
There
like,
you go.
come, my creatures of the night.
hey, okay, I like you more than that one. You're nice to me.
Yeah. Just a little guy.
That's a big guy.
Yeah. That's a big guy.
Okay, see, not even scared anymore. Yep, not even scared. Not even,
Oh,
not
good
even
job.
freaking out. Sorry, buddy. There you go.
Cool.
Close it.
I like how each time you just have to like.
Welcome to stage 3 of the under the exoskeleton experiment that we are doing with our students here. And now we have black African millipedes. And we are going to do the same thing. So who's up first?
I'll do it.
You're up first?
Gloves off.
Okay. Glove off
Wow.
first one. All right.
Let me at him. Oh, they're so freaky. Come on, little buddy. No, don't freak out.
What's it feel like?
You're not gonna like it.
Okay. What's it feel like though?
Awesome.
Tell us about these bugs, John.
So these guys are myriapods in the arthropod phylum family, and they have close to 400 legs.
Wow.
They eat apples and dead hardwood leaves, and they are fascinating little guys who just crawl around.
Oh, look at him. Oh my god, he's so cool. Where you're trying to go up. There's no up, buddy.
There's no up.
Okay, I could spend all day doing this because it's freaky, so
What's
I'm
it
going
feel like?
Does it tickle?
It's kind of like the sticky side of Velcro, but it's moving.
Okay.
Oh wow.
All right, buddy.
All right.
Yeah.
You make them look so cute.
They are. I love these guys.
Good.
They have a few different species, varieties of millipede. Some are red, those are the lavender, or they have one called bumblebee millipede. That one looks like a bumblebee. It's yellow and black.
Oh wow.
I've been waiting to be able to hold one of those again since the first time I held one. That was awesome. All right, thank you.
Container a little bit back further.
Okay,
It's a
you're
very
up next,
interesting
Nick.
hobby.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just holding giant African millipedes.
Okay, these ones have some weight to them as well.
Yep.
It's a hefty bug.
Oh my gosh.
It's cool though, right?
It lucky is.
Yep.
Man.
I like how you can see all the legs like undulating there.
Yeah.
So
It's gonna
you
take
can
one.
get a nice shot. Yeah.
You want someone to help you take your glove off?
Yeah, go ahead and
Okay.
Go to 2, guys. Get a nice close up.
here, I want you to come over here, please. No, please don't ball up. Not on my hand.
No, they stick to you. They'll stick to you.
One and
And they
We're
like
going
being held.
to no glove in the same.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he was like, you know what?
Like take my glove off.
I hope my enthusiasm for these little guys helped you
Whoa,
guys
that's
feel
like-
a little more
Yeah,
enthusiastic
no,
about
for
it.
sure.
awkward. That's a very awkward.
Before
It's
you,
an awkward feel.
before you like
I don't
it,
like the
was
way that
oh,
feels.
It looked funky.
Here, I'll go in next so
like-
you can.
Weird.
You're just gonna have it
Form a
crawl under
bridge.
your hand?
It's kind of nice though. It's not bad.
Okay, don't come near my face, please. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that.
It's okay. You got this.
Stop going near
You're
me.
doing
No,
so good.
not my face. Okay.
It's
So I called
so
these guys a myriapod. That stands for many legs. Just so everybody knows. Because they've got 400 to 500.
I can take him from you back.
Yeah, take it. Let's form a bridge. Okay.
Okay, another bridge. Oh my gosh, that is crazy.
right?
It's like it gets
It walks
tighter.
like
Oh my
water.
gosh.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Oh my gosh, no, I'm sorry. This is insane. Like, if this thing was in my house, I would never feel inclined to pick it up because this is crazy.
See,
But they are
millipedes?
harmless. They don't even bite, right?
No.
Wow.
They have the jaw strength to chew on apples and leaves, but they can't break human skin.
Gotcha.
They wouldn't. They don't eat meat.
That's good to know.
Millipedes are awesome. If you had a centipede, peeling my skin off.
Wow.
Run it away.
The only one I could find, I was going to get one for this. The only one I could find was a Vietnamese red-headed centipede.
Okay, take
You
my-
don't like that. No go.
Because if you get bit by one of
Those
those,
are
you're going to wish you were
Venomous,
dead.
right?
Yeah. It won't kill you,
Crazy.
but you'll wish you were dead. Yeah.
Oh
I don't
my
know, like I'll
gosh.
see like a house centipede or a silverfish. Silverfish, they got me freaking out.
Well, they got a lot of legs, too.
I see one of those in my room or something, I am evacuating. Not
Oh my gosh, this
Burning
still
that
gives me
house
like
down.
heebie-jeebies. This is
Need
crazy.
some help?
No, it's okay. I can put him back.
They're more docile than
Yes,
that.
extremely. And I think these guys actually like crawling on people.
It would seem so. They're a bit adventurous.
Are you gonna let go, bud? On the ground.
He's so attached to you.
Yeah, I think he thinks he's gonna
Oh, he's
like
a
fall
bug
or
whisperer.
something.
Oh, they like
Oh,
the
it's
warmth
forming
of
a
your
ring
hand.
around
Too.
her head.
Oh, okay. Or I'll put him near his friend. Go play.
How can you tell the
Ah.
sex of these creatures?
I don't know that
Okay.
one. I believe you have to identify them by their sex organs specifically.
Which or where?
The
Thank you.
most
Could be anywhere.
posterior portion of the tail, so
Okay,
right there. But
But that's like a microscope thing.
Yeah.
It's not.
gotcha.
you would need training and specialization to get that done.
Charismatic little
Well,
guys.
they're awesome.
So everybody has interacted with the millipedes, and we are done with this stage. So now let's move on to the next. This is under the exoskeleton. We are here again with our fourth and final invertebrate for these students and professor to get interacting with. We have an emperor scorpion. So this guy also reacts to black light, as you can see.
That's
And
awesome.
then we have, so who's up first? You're up first? Okay. And I'll stand over here in case I need
No way through it but to do it.
to. Yep. So just scoop up some of the bedding and, yeah. There you go.
Would you say it's faster or slower than the roaches?
It's a little bit slower than the roaches, but close to the same speed. And they have sticky legs like roaches. So.
You got that. You
That is
literally
awesome.
have it in your hand right now. How do you feel?
Ah,
How do
scared.
you feel? Scared? Scared of what he's going to do?
No. It's pretty light, actually. Oh, God.
It's okay. You're.
Sorry. Sorry. Sir, I'm sorry. It's too aggressive.
No, he's all right.
But looking at the blue color makes you calm down, right?
A little, but
I think like also the way he moves, he just like moves. and
he's
jitters.
very, like,
Yeah.
abrupt.
It's like he's
He needs to
so
be like
mad.
reprogrammed.
he's juking. He's juking you.
Yeah, no, he,
Okay,
notice he didn't try
it's
to
sticky. It is sticky like a cockroach with the legs,
Oh wow.
but it feels lighter than the cockroach.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's less hefty.
Yeah.
Are those eyes on the top?
Oh, that's so blue.
Those
Those
dots?
are the eyes, yes. Those little
What about
tiny
that black
dots.
dot on its head?
That one tells light and dark.
Oh, okay.
That's another
There's
eye.
a really, really tiny eye on the
They
top.
have three.
That's very cool.
Just about to ask.
Sorry, I dropped
That
you
one
so
they don't
intensely.
see with as much. I forget the name of it, but they.
Honestly, the fear was it's
tell
going to
light and
scuttle
dark.
up my arm. Yeah.
Okay, who's next?
Sure, let's go.
Okay.
I love Nick's adventurous spirit.
It looks really cool.
It is like intimidating.
Black
Like
light out
it looks like
first,
I just want to like
so you're not
admire it
going
from a
around it.
distance,
Yeah.
not up close.
Definitely scoop under it.
See, I
Yeah.
I don't like how I didn't even get that close, and
Yeah, he was.
Yeah, he's already juking you.
Can you like move somewhere else? Like,
Here, let me,
See, scary.
let me move this. So you can... Get
See,
better.
he's more afraid of us than we are of him.
should I
Yes,
move
he is.
this? so
Yeah,
I can,
move
like,
it.
Yeah, you can maneuver that.
He's fast
You're
too.
good.
Like,
You're
Which
so
is
good.
faster, the cockroach or the scorpion?
yo,
I think they're probably about the same.
So both
think they're
pretty
close.
speedy.
They're both
Yeah, they
reacting
got
to
speed.
each other. The things like he's like.
It's nice. We can see though he's mostly trying to pinch. That seems to be his.
And they can't hurt you with the pinching. Just so you know, they'll pinch your skin, but
you
it
gotta,
won't
you gotta
Look
bear
at
with
him.
cause pain. You'll feel the pressure.
You
but-
see
I
him?
wouldn't go from behind.
Juking
if
around
he thinks
like
you're a
that?
threat
Go
from
from like
behind.
in front.
The side maybe.
Yeah,
That's
I'd go
and then
from
just, like,
the front.
scoop up the ground.
just
with
so he
it.
can see. You.
And then you can stick, if you want to stick your other hand on occasion, guide him into your
Fine.
hand.
I think that you got it, Nick.
You got it.
I'm scared.
You got it. He's awesome. He's
So what are you
like-
feeling
I'm-
right now?
Disdain.
There you go.
Please, please just cooperate. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
There you go.
Oh my.
There you go.
Sticky like the roaches.
Hi, buddy.
Yep.
Hi, 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 hi. Okay.
Oh,
okay,
he's
okay.
standing up right now.
It's-
He is like.
It's not. Please don't move on my arm. It's not bad. I'd pet it, but no, I'm not doing that. Okay, okay, he's coming.
Got a lot of attitude.
Yeah, a lot of attitude.
It's this rearing up move that he does.
Yeah.
Are these solitary creatures normal?
Yes, they are.
Yeah,
Why
don't
they're
live.
are they
You
cannibalistic?
see all those
I don't
hairs?
believe they're cannibalistic, but I do think they do better on their own.
Oh.
It's a lot of different arthropods do like to have solitary
Oh,
environments.
adventurous with it.
Yeah.
So cool. All those hairs are. Oh, I can see some green actually. All those hairs around it help it like sense stuff, right?
Yep.
So that's probably why it's reacting. Oh, I see the little eyes on his head.
The little black dot.
Yeah. That's such a cool color.
So can it see infrared or
It can tell different,
nice dismount?
like,
Yeah, that was really good.
that- you
That
mean
was
Pro-
like
clean.
heat
professional,
detection?
Nick.
Yes, it can.
Okay. Okay, at least
have
you
a
have him like
feeling-
nice and calm.
Yeah, no,
No
not
offense,
me.
Patsy, but I feel
My
like
supercut's gonna
after
be
you,
terrible.
He was like
Yeah.
a little like.
I'm
So
doing
at
it to
least
make
he's nice
Nick
and
look
calm.
It's
cooler.
just-
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think. Oh
it's
my
just
god.
you going like that to
I
everybody.
can't. It's
When
scary.
he gets in stance with his claws open, yeah.
But I noticed he hasn't flung the stinger once. It's all
Yeah.
claws. Yeah.
Is that like it's like a last resort almost?
No, it's not like a bee where they sting you and they die.
Yeah.
So he could sting you as much as he wants. It's just, think about it. What they use that for is to eat. So it's like prey primarily that they sting.
Right.
I mean, they're not going to sting us as normally.
I'm so sorry.
because-
Uh-oh.
I'm so sorry about that.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Oh wow, yeah, he does look green. Wait. That is so cool.
Since this is the last creature, we should get a close
That
up.
is
Like
sick.
bring the camera in close at the end and get a few
That is
shots
so
of it.
sick.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Yep. You're next.
You don't have to
Oh my
if you
gosh,
don't
I
want
You
to.
don't have to if you don't want to.
I'm gonna
Yes.
So sorry, I didn't know. I
He is
broke your skull.
aggressive though.
It's okay. Don't worry about it. That thing will go in the cage still and they'll hide in it.
I don't think there's a way to calm this creature down, is there? Do they like music or?
Calm down a
Can they
scorpion.
hear?
Gotta play a flute or something like the snake charmer.
Maybe.
Yeah. Somebody call Lizzo.
There you go.
Hey, it's okay. You're good, man. You're good. You wanna
Also,
go?
these are mostly in the dark most of the time, right? So they
Nocturnal.
probably don't get very much human interaction.
Nope.
And I'll be the reason that they choose not to. They're like, humans are skittish.
Oh,
And they eat crickets and they do like
Oh wow, he's really.
they get most
Yeah,
of their
he seems
water from
calmer
the
on
crickets
air.
actually. So they don't really drink
You're good, man.
that much.
Go ahead.
Wow, nice job, Aaron.
Very nice.
profesh.
That's the last time I'm doing that.
You going no gloves?
Anybody going no glove?
Nope. Nope. He's too
Nobody-
sassy.
Oh,
Okay.
Nick's doing it.
Nick is the king of no gloves
Alright.
over here.
I may need to go no glove now. Now that I see someone else is doing
I
it.
just guess like
Yeah,
the
I
Beatles,
mean,
I
it's
was
good
fine.
nature.
It's the
with no
stickiness
reaction.
that freaks me out. Once I can't get it off me, I don't like that.
Okay, hold on. Chill. Chill with that stinger, buddy.
It
No reaction.
is-
No reaction.
Yeah, you go.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
It still counts. It still counts.
Nah, I want to hold it though. I'm scaring it. You can crawl on here.
At least after this, you could be like, I held a scorpion barehanded.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, he's moving his stinger.
You want me to help you
Yeah,
get
he
him?
is.
I would love for that
Here,
actually.
let me get him out.
Is that not the normal substrate that a scorpion would be in?
No.
So maybe he's like, oh, why am I in
yes,
the
I
dirt?
do use this at home.
Do you want me
It's
to go
just
after
I
him?
missed it. This
I
is
can take a
dry.
picture if you want.
You got him in your hand. There you go.
Okay.
Nick is the Scorpion King.
Yes. He has done it.
Very nice, very nice.
Let's get the black light.
Oh, he looks so chill with it.
Black
now.
light. See, he's so calm now.
Yeah, he's not even throwing claws at you.
That
Yeah.
cool?
Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
John, help him out.
Okay. You want me to get him?
I got him.
You got him?
If you
If
want,
he
I
goes
can
that
just take it
way.
From you.
Yeah, that might be.
Oh yeah, do that. Pass off to Aaron.
Hey, buddy.
Look, it's clearly Aaron's child.
If you
Oh.
touch his butt and guide him a little bit, that'll help.
The butt's the scariest part.
Yeah, that's fair.
No, it's okay. We got it. We got it. We got
There you
it.
go.
Oh, wait, and you want to give me your phone or should I?
Wow.
He's not
Yeah, I
touching
think he
you?
does
just
like
did.
Aaron. He's
All of
just
them
doing a
like
little
you.
handshake. Oh, let's
Yeah,
hold the
awesome.
the
Oh,
light
he's
over.
mentioned
See, you can tell he's chilled out a little bit more because his stinger isn't curved.
I don't want him. Sorry.
Ouch. You hurt?
Does it hurt?
No.
Okay.
I think he does like Aaron.
Scorpion
Yeah.
whisperer.
We're like fighting for custody right now.
It's a custody battle.
You can have him.
Brought to you
It's your
here
weekend. It's your weekend.
on Under the Exoskeleton. That could be the next challenge. They win a scorpion.
Your camera is so bright.
He crawls
Can
backwards
you hold this
too.
for a second? I need to lower this.
They crawl anyway. They're in the arachnid family.
Okay.
So they have 8
John,
legs.
help him. John, help
Okay.
him.
that way.
I'm coming.
He pinched me a few times, but you're right. It
You got
doesn't
him?
really hurt.
Tough, actually.
Okay.
It's kind of tough.
He's gonna get a tattoo after.
Yeah, no, seriously.
Can you get the blue light, somebody?
Yeah, sure.
That is so cool. And this is our only bioluminescent land animal, correct?
Yes, I believe so.
Oh, wow.
The rest are in the ocean, right?
Yep.
Keeps on going out of focus.
That I'm aware of. That we know of.
Yep. But there are
Okay, yeah, these
so many
you
different
definitely have
types.
some
John,
type
grab
of
it before it
vertebrae.
gets towards his face.
Yeah, he can stop now.
I'm going to move out of the way.
I gotcha.
And then
Okay, there's definitely some good ones in there. Yeah.
Anybody else want to hold them before?
Yeah, I'll hold him.
Patsy, you should
Yeah,
try
Chloe.
it. It's not
I'm
that
scared
bad.
I'm gonna chuck him and I don't want to hurt him.
Can you take a picture? Because I have no idea how long
I
I've been
will.
holding him for.
If we've learned anything, it's that I will chuck him.
Come on. Come on, bro. I'm just the ground. Don't worry.
I'm fine with the picking him up. It's the putting him down that freaks me out.
'Cause they never want to get off.
Yeah.
They're clingy.
Oh my gosh.
There
I love the way
Claws
you
up.
pose with him.
Paws up.
You look so frightened.
So I guess
Can you take him, please?
everybody's okay
heck
with this
no.
guy? Or no? Everybody's scared?
No, I still would not
afraid
try
of
to
it.
get out.
But he did like me.
He just,
quite
like,
I think
a
it's
bit.
the
prickly.
speed and dexterity that,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and convincing yourself that is not gonna sting you. Like
Yeah, because it looks pretty vicious.
it
Yeah,
does.
it
It
does.
looks scary.
That one was like a 7 out of 10. It wasn't that bad.
I still think
7
the
out of
roaches
10?
are creepy.
Oh, I know,
Yeah.
roaches definitely were creepy.
I was
Really?
much
I
more
like the
afraid
I think
of
the roaches were the worst.
Wow, he is so sticky. That he also clamps. That's the,
Yeah.
I think just like also knowing that like he could pinch you.
Yeah.
No,
he's
I know like it
pinching,
doesn't hurt or
he's not-
anything. It's
He
just
was
like
pinching me
there.
a little bit, and I was like,
But I
the
feel like
way
as soon
when
as I
my
feel
cat
like,
would
oh.
scratch me, I would go, "Ow, you're hurting me," and he would stop. So I just started saying like, "No, you're hurting me, buddy," and he stopped. I was like,
Like
"I
a
must
cat.
be magic, bro."
it's just an ugly cat.
He's not ugly. Take that back. He'll
I'm
get
sorry.
you.
You're right.
So everybody has completed every task. Everybody gets a prize. I think Nick
Nick.
should get the grand prize.
Yes, I agree for sure.
Because he was the first one to dive in.
Oh, yeah.
Next.
What? That's awesome.
Thank you.
So
Thank
cool.
you. Oh, it's
Thank you.
If we actually have a
gummy
special,
worms.
I might have tapped out.
Now we are going to be transitioning over to interviewing 2 professors. One will be a psychology professor and the other will be a taxonomist, someone who studies invertebrates. So we will be back with that. This is Under the Exoskeleton, and I'm John, and I'm here with Dr. Matthew Wallace, and he is a professor here at ESU, and I have a few questions for him. So the first one is, I understand you're a taxonomist. How did you get into taxonomy, and what is a taxonomist?
So a taxonomist studies classification of living things. So taxonomy is the study of classification. Taxonomists also identify organisms for people. They name organisms for people. And I've always been fascinated by life on Earth and the diversity of Earth. I love order. I like names. I think they're interesting. And it was really just an opportunity that presented itself when I was in graduate school, and that's how it started.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Why did you choose tree hoppers to study in particular?
Well, it's similar to that previous answer. So I was doing my master's degree, and I was taking a required course in entomology to get my degree. It was an insect diversity course, and my professor was an expert on tree hoppers. So he spent a lot of time talking about them and saying how cool they were and showing all the cool shapes and behaviors. And there was an opportunity to do a PhD with him because he had a grant with the NSF, the National Science Foundation. So when I finished my master's, I started with him. So it's a good lesson in opportunity. Seize it when it's there. I worked with a lot of different types of insects, but tree hoppers were cool and the opportunity was there.
That's really neat.
Yeah, thanks.
And a newly discovered insect was named after you, the wallacei. Tell us about the wallacei and how it differs from other tree hoppers.
So it's a pretty funny story, actually. So wallacei is the species name. Every organism also has a genus name. The genus is called Selena centris, which was actually named for Selena, the famous Latina singer who actually passed away. It was a favorite of the scientist who described the tree hopper and named it after me. Some kind of link with her in that way. It's an interesting tree hopper. It's not the most sort of sexy. It's kind of drab and brown. It's found in Texas and northern Mexico, but it does have some pretty cool horns on it that kind of look like a bowl that has horns. So, and it was one of the tree hoppers that I studied, at least it was in the group that I studied for my PhD. So that's why it was fitting.
Nice.
Yeah.
And I have another question. How are invertebrates useful to humans?
So I teach a whole course in that, as you know. So there's lots of different reasons why we need invertebrates. One is many are pollinators. So when they visit flowers, they assist in plant reproduction. And without plants, the world would be in a lot of trouble. It supports ecosystems. It's a primary food for many organisms, provides oxygen for the earth. A lot of insects are predators of other arthropods and insects, so they keep the overall numbers in balance. Without those predators, we'd be overwhelmed with insects.
Yeah.
A lot of insects are also decomposers, so they break down dead and dying plant and animal material and return those nutrients to the earth. That's
really
that's
cool.
just a few. Yeah.
Yeah. And finally, what advice could you give a student who wants to pursue a career in this field?
So what I would say is take a lot of courses in life science. Like if you're a high school student, take as many courses in high school in biology, chemistry, physics, and math, and major in biology in college, and see if you can find an entomologist to work with, or actually anybody that's interested in taxonomy of any living group. And then take advantage of any research opportunities that come up, and maybe even do a paper as an undergraduate. But there should be lots of opportunities in the future because we are facing a biodiversity crisis in general, so we're going to need taxonomists to help us out with that for many years to come.
Wow. Well, that's really cool. What is a bug?
So it's a good question. So bug is used to describe a lot of different things. It could be used to describe any creepy crawly. My colleague in biology calls bacteria bugs. He's a microbiologist. But to be 100% accurate, there's one group of insects that we call true bugs. They're in the order Hemiptera. So things like assassin bugs and stink bugs and bed bugs, and their relatives are really the bugs. So if you use the word bug, you should use that word to describe those insects.
Okay. And are shrimp bugs?
So yes and no. Actually, shrimp are crustaceans. So crustaceans, along with insects and arachnids and millipedes, are part of this group called the arthropods, which is a phylum in the taxonomic hierarchy. And crustaceans are actually more closely related to insects than they are to any other group. So they're not insects or bugs, but they're pretty closely related. You can kind of think of them as the insects of the ocean.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, and are there any invertebrates or insects that you are personally afraid of?
Not so much. Spiders kind of creep me out in general, but I wouldn't say I'm afraid of them. Large stinging hornets chasing me in the woods might scare me, but not so much. I think as you grow up, you sort of lose those fears with experience.
Yep. I can completely agree with that.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very
Thank
much
you.
for being here.
Appreciate it.
And-
My pleasure.
And it was a pleasure to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
This is Under the Exoskeleton. This is Under the Exoskeleton, where we talk about different invertebrates and have students experience the different invertebrates that we bring in and show them. And I'm here with Nick, one of the contestants we had on our show. And I just wanted to ask you a few questions about your experience with the invertebrates.
Let's get into it.
So, what was your favorite one to interact with?
Definitely the millipede, because, like, I don't know, I feel like the beetles, like, that's like a very entry level kind of thing, right? It's like, it's not too scary, it's pretty small, nothing really crazy, right?
Yeah.
And then you go straight to the roaches. That's a pretty big jump, because, you know, like, roaches, like, that's a
Cling.
roach. Like, exactly.
Yeah.
Especially, I feel like, at least where I'm from, we don't see a lot of roaches. So it's like, seeing that, like, obviously I've seen them before, but like actually seeing one up close in person after not really dealing with them for a lot of your life, it's like, wow. And they were huge. And then the millipede, it was like the amount of legs and his, like, the body type was the most different compared to all of them, because at least like the other three were somewhat similar in size, and then you just have the millipede, which is just like so much longer than everything else, and it has so many more legs. But I think it made it actually the coolest out of all of them to interact with. It did have this weird feeling though. It was like when you pick it up, it's almost like it's pinching you.
Yeah.
Like the way its grip was different from everything. Like everything had a different grip. The millipedes was like almost like a pinching sensation, and then there's just like 400 of them happening constantly.
Yeah.
But then at the same time, it doesn't really hurt. It almost tickles almost. But it was nice.
Yeah.
Not like, I don't know. Let me not say nice, but it was different.
Yeah.
And it was kind of cool. Like the way its body type compared to everything else, it's just so much longer and has so many more legs. It was like, I felt the most like pet-like out of all
of them.
Yeah.
Which one would you say was your least favorite to interact with?
Definitely the beetles, just because like it was a little boring, you know?
Yeah.
Like they didn't have that much shock to them. Like, you know, they just felt almost rubbery in a way. And I didn't even really get to see them like do their main thing, which was like playing dead. They didn't even really do that. They were just very calm. So, and like very docile. So
Yeah.
it's like once you feel it a little bit with the glove and then just take the glove off, you're like, nothing can hurt a fly. You can't really do anything.
Yeah.
So it wasn't really anything to worry about.
Yeah, they're non-carnivorous, so.
Yeah, that was like a solid like on a fear level, that was like a 1 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then what about the roaches? How did you feel about them?
Night and day.
Night
The
and day?
roaches is like, those were bad. It's like you take everything that's not scary about the beetle, or like everything that would make the beetle scary, and you give it to the roaches, and then you change and then you just make it from Africa, and that already just makes it worse, because it's like, you see, when it comes to like the worlds, bro, right, and like where things are from, like I feel like the two scariest places, well, top 3 actually, continent-wise, is Australia, Africa, and Asia when it comes to dangerous things. So it's already coming from one of the bottom 3 continents that you want an insect to be from. It's from Africa, because you know the hotter the area, the bigger the animals are. So that's a roach. It's not just anywhere. It's a roach from Africa, bro. That thing's not to be played with, bro. So it's like once I was touching it, and not even when I saw it, I was like, that thing's big. And then when you feel the weight,
Yeah.
I didn't like it. And then they were like, when you pick it up and it grips your hand, it's like that thing is legitimate. It's like a little baby holding you.
Yeah.
I didn't like that. But, you know, once I had the glove, I was like, I'm not gonna be out here crying about some roach, bro. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying, grown out man crying about some little roach. So I'm like, let me take the gloves off. I handled it, and it wasn't even that bad. Like before touching it, it was bad, but like afterwards, it was like an 8. It wasn't even that bad. It was pretty bad, but it could have been worse.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So what did you think about the scorpion?
it was a tough one. You know, that thing, it did not want to be touched. It did not want to be it didn't want to be near us.
Yeah.
You know, it was very defensive, but it's like once you pick it up, it's almost just like it just doesn't want to get off.
Yeah.
It's like it doesn't want to decide. But it was the hardest to handle. But like once you had it, it's like that thing ran you, because it's like it decides where it wants to go. Like it's not stationary like the rest of them for the most part. It's like a mix of those two. It has like almost the mobility of the millipede, but with the speed of the roach. So it's like wherever it wants to go on you, it's gonna go.
Yeah.
So when I was holding it and it started going up my arm, there's nothing I can do. I just have to let it happen because it's like that scorpion is in control. But it was pretty cool seeing it with the black light, under the black light, and see how it instantly changed color. That was really cool. And just especially since, you know, especially like being from Pennsylvania, like when are you ever gonna see a scorpion? Never. Because I don't even think they're native to this
No,
part.
they're not.
But so it was like
They need much warmer climates.
It's my first time seeing one actually in person, and it was really cool. Cause I've always heard stories about them, but actually seeing one in person and holding one and just feeling one and not getting stung, thank God. But you know, it was pretty cool. It was pretty cool.
Cool. Well, what did you think about the scorpion clinging to people and sticking on?
Yeah, it didn't want to get off me.
No.
That thing wanted to stay. But the scorpion, it was almost as cool as the millipede. I just think the body type of the millipede is what gives it the slight edge over the scorpion, but like the blue light and everything, and that just made it really cool. But the scorpion was also like the most difficult to handle because, I mean, that thing did not want to move. It did not want to get touched. It didn't want to get picked up. And once it did, it didn't want to let go.
Yeah.
So it's like the scorpion made its own way with everything, but I enjoyed it.
Cool. And would you say your perspectives changed at all about invertebrates, like your fear of them or anything?
You know, before going into it, you're just like, oh my gosh, like, I have to touch bugs, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's kind of like out of your comfort zone. But like after doing it, it's like, even touching it with the gloves first, it's like once you touch it and then you hold it, it's like, okay, it's not that bad. Because especially, you know, you see all these videos of like, you know, people holding bugs, people like Kaileigh Peterson, people who go out in the wild, stuff like that. You see them just casually touching these things. You're just like, I can never imagine myself doing that. But then once you actually do it, even just with gloves on, it's like, okay, it's not as bad as it seems. Especially since like the bugs and invertebrates in themselves weren't even freaking out that much for the most part. It's like once they get in your arm, they're just kind of calm. Like, cause it's not like they're freaking out or like, they don't even really realize that you're like a living thing. They kind of treat you like the ground. So it's like, when you look at it like that, it's like, it wasn't not that bad.
I'm John, and this is Under the Exoskeleton. I'm here with another contestant of ours, Chloe, from our previous interactions with the invertebrates. So what was your favorite invertebrate to handle?
My favorite was probably the beetles, just because they're so calm and like they remind me of like little cats or something like that. Because like once you picked them up, like they just wouldn't move. They just sort of like sat there. So like even like pet them a little bit. They're really nice.
Nice. And what was your least favorite to interact with?
Gosh, probably least favorite to interact with the scorpion. Yeah, no, just because it had like these like the bottom of its legs feel like a little prickly. So it was just like oof, like you know. I was just picturing how like the stinger would feel like, you know, because it just reminded me of that. But he was chill. He just moved very jittery. It just made me think of like what the stinger would feel like if it like got scared and started like stinging. Because like you never know with animals, like you know, like.
'Cause that's how they perceive us. All those invertebrates, they perceive us as like the ground.
That's
So
cool.
it's kind of it's a neat thought to calm your mind about, you know, being stung by a scorpion. But then again, I have been stung by a scorpion before, so.
Oh, how did that go?
Well, that was a different type of scorpion, but that one I was in the hospital for
Oh wow.
a little while. Yeah.
So it was poisonous or
Yes,
just
very
really...
poisonous. Yeah.
That's crazy.
But yeah, so the scorpion I brought in cannot do that, just to be clear. But
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, and the millipede, how did you feel about that one?
The millipede, honestly, when I first saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, those are massive. And they had, like, I thought there was like 4 of them intertwined all together. Turns out there was just 2. They're just like huge. But once Aaron was like, oh, like they're so cool. Like I've held them before. Like, no, like they're really chill. Like once they had like more courage to go up and like, you know, they just had so much fun doing it. I was like, oh my gosh, wait, that actually does look fun. Like, you know, because they're not going to bite or anything. So it was fun. But I was definitely coming off of Erin's courage and her enthusiasm. So.
And the roaches? The Madagascar
Oh,
hissing
gosh.
cockroaches, I should say. The
The
big
roaches,
boys.
yeah.
Yeah.
Those were massive. Those were really well fed, so you take really good care of them because they were chonkers for sure. But those I was like a little bit more intimidated, but I felt like the beetles were a good introduction. Like if we didn't have the beetles and it was just straight up cockroaches, I'd be like, oh my gosh, probably not. 'Cause they're just so massive. Like they're huge. So, but yeah, they were good. They're a little bit more like squeamish to pick up and hold and everything. And then sometimes when you held them, like they just didn't want to get off afterwards.
I can't remember. Did any of them hiss for you?
No, they
No.
didn't. No, wait, what's like under what circumstances do they hiss?
They hiss when they're annoyed. So
Oh, okay.
yeah,
I
or
guess
when they
they're-
feel threatened or whatever. So that was actually a good sign that they didn't hiss.
That's
But
good. So we didn't like stress them out too much or
Nope.
anything. That's good to hear.
yeah. Has this experience changed your perspective at all on invertebrates, like
Yes.
keeping
yeah.
or handling them? Would you ever consider keeping one as a pet?
No, not necessarily an insect. I would probably more likely to keep like a snake or something. But I actually took the insect biology class last semester, so I learned like a decent amount. So it was really cool to like see them up close now and to learn so much from you. So yeah, it was definitely a really cool learning experience because they're just
that's
on the earth to do like their little jobs and everything, and they're just because like one's like a spider and one's a butterfly, like they're both just doing their place in this ecosystem. So, but yeah, no, it was a really cool experience. I really appreciate you bringing them in and everything, and they look really well cared for.
Well, thank you very much for coming in and doing all that and doing this. And thank you for participating with our project.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it was really fun. I appreciate it.
Yep. So this is Under the Exoskeleton, and we will be interviewing more contestants soon. Thank you. Hi, I'm John, and this is Under the Exoskeleton. I'm here with LJ, who is not one of our contestants, but he was in the back room when everybody was interacting with the invertebrates, and I just wanted to get his perspective on it. And so you saw 2 out of 4 invertebrates?
Yes.
Yes? So the 2 that you saw were the millipedes and the scorpion, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start with the millipedes. What did you think about them?
The millipedes, I thought were pretty easy. Like they seemed so calm when they were like being held by humans. But my concern with them is how absolutely unreal they looked.
Yeah.
It's like their like shells was like made of plastic or something. Like they were just a toy being moved by remote control.
Yeah. They do look pretty fake.
Yeah.
But, yeah. So what about the scorpion?
The scorpion absolutely freaked me out. Because I've learned like through watching other shows and like with other experiences with scorpions that I've seen like in other places that aren't really primary to me, was that they could be pretty venomous sometimes. And I didn't know if the one that you brought was also venomous.
No, I wouldn't do that to you guys.
And also seeing like this creature being held by human hands with no gloves on. Like,
Yeah.
oh my God, is he gonna start biting soon? And that's gonna be like the end of it.
Well, he pinched me a few times actually, but
But it didn't like cause a lot of harm.
no, he can't hurt you. His sting is so light; it's less than a bee sting. Just to be clear, it won't poison you or kill you or anything.
Okay.
So yeah, maybe a little skin irritation, but that'd be about it. So, which was your favorite that you think?
Like the one that I found the most
Interesting.
Like the most
would be the
interesting.
best.
I'd have to go with the scorpion,
The scorpion,
just because
even though it was freaky and you
Yeah.
scared you.
like pretty much all the other bugs I saw, the beetles, the roaches, and the millipede. Although all 4 of them were pretty calm when they were being held, the other 3 I don't really know to be as dangerous as scorpions sometimes.
Yeah. Okay. So, and you have a few questions for me?
Yes. So first of all, when did you start becoming so attached with these invertebrates? You seem and to like make them your pets.
I started with reptiles, actually.
Oh, really?
And that's what got me into the invertebrates. I was petrified of snakes when I was 13 years old. So to face my fears, I went to a pet store and I bought a king snake. And I started taking care of that. And then through that, I ended up getting a lizard, which brought me to the invertebrates because you have to feed them roaches.
Yeah.
That's like the best food for them. So I got into that, breeding my own roaches for feeder purposes. And then I found out about millipedes and scorpions and tarantulas and beetles and mantids, actually. I did take care of mantids for a while. But yeah, I've been fascinated by the invertebrate species for my whole life almost. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It's been a long journey. I've been around the world doing it, breeding and catching different venomous and non-venomous snakes and invertebrates and stuff like that.
So you say you've been around the world doing this?
Yes.
Where was your favorite place? Like where did you find the most interest in doing this?
I've been to Africa and Australia doing this.
Okay.
And I'd have to say my least favorite was Africa, just because it was so hot and you couldn't even go into the ocean because everything there could kill you. So, but Australia was nice. I got to do some shark diving while I was there, and that was pretty fun. Get in the water in a cage, but yeah, that was cool. I'm here with Professor Patsy, one of our contestants from the show that we did. And I have a few questions for you about your experience.
Cool.
So starting with the first one you interacted with, the beetles, how did you feel about them?
Beetles were the easiest one to deal with by far. They kind of gave me a false sense of security for the rest of them. They were definitely, I think, the cutest of the bunch.
Of the bunch?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you think about the cockroaches then?
Not a fan. That's when I realized I was going to panic more than I thought I was going to. They're so like weighty compared to even the scorpion.
Mm-hmm.
They're just ugly.
Big, ugly
yeah,
creatures.
big and ugly.
Yeah.
But they were harmless, so I felt like I overcame something there, but I wasn't about to bare hand. Once I tried to put it down and the feet were like super sticky, I was like, no, I'm not gonna bare hand that.
Yeah. And the millipede, what did you think about that one?
Millipede, I think, ended up being a class favorite. I think it's because they aren't super fast moving.
Yeah, and they're like big dinosaurs.
Yeah, they were really docile, so I think that's why it became kind of a class favorite.
Yep. And the scorpion, what did you think about that one?
Scorpion, I thought I wasn't gonna be afraid, but same with the sticky feet thing. Like, they kind of have pinchy feet. So like picking it up was no problem. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous to see under the UV light.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they are beautiful there.
But it was the most aggressive. So because it kept opening its claws at us and juking us and things like that.
And clinging.
And clinging, yeah.
Yes.
But absolutely gorgeous under the black light. I thought we were going to maybe have to dim the overheads because it's so bright in here while we're filming, but it was like as soon as we turned it on, it just started
they glow. Yeah.
glowing. Yeah, so cool.
Yeah. And which would you say would be your favorite of the invertebrates that you experienced?
Probably the beetles, just because they're kind of puppy-like looking, like they're docile, they didn't move too quickly, and when we put our hand back down, they just like crawled out, so they weren't like sticky feet.
Yep. And the least favorite, you'd say?
The roaches.
The roaches.
Yeah, I think the roaches. I thought I wouldn't have an issue with it, but hey, it turns out I'm not a fan.
Yep. Roaches are the sticky ones that cling on worse than anybody else. Yep.
And they started piling on each other in the corner, and I looked at Nick, and it just felt like something out of The Mummy or something, you know?
Yep. So would you say this whole experience has changed your perspective on keeping invertebrates as like pets, or?
I'm a fish person, so I do have like pets that are in an aquarium, but I don't know about the bugs, just because if they got out, especially a roach, I could see that multiplying and infecting the whole block pretty much.
Yeah.
But it did change my perception of, you know, how people have this fear of purchasing like ugly fruit because they think it's no good or whatever. So it did change my perception of ugly creatures. I would say that, you know, they are useful in the environment and they're not going to harm you if you interact with them.
No.
So I think that's a big takeaway. Even though I wouldn't keep it as a pet, I probably won't be as fearful the next time I run into a roach or a house centipede or something like that.
Yeah. Well, there's a lot of hype about them and they do freak people out, but they are fascinating creatures, and I think that's something that we can all get behind at this point because we've seen their different little quirks and nooks and crannies, and they're fascinating. Well, at least to me. I don't know.
Yeah, so I think it's kind of funny because I was thinking I was going to be the least afraid, and then the people who volunteered to come in were like, I'm going to freak out. And those roles ended up kind of reversing a little bit.
Yes.
So I think it's good to put yourself out there and be vulnerable for certain situations, even if, you know, it's only going to be a few minutes and you're going to get through it either way.
Yep. Exactly.
Very fun experience overall.
Yep. Cool. All right. Well, this was with Professor Patsy, and this is under the Exoskeleton, and thank you.